Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to recover Fortnite account. Firstly, visit epicgames.com/login. Scroll down and click on Travel Signing In. On the next screen, enter the email address linked to your Epic Games account. Try any email addresses you've used in that past, so if you don't remember your email. Also, you can check the I don't remember the email guide provided by Epic. Now, if your email is found, Epic will try to recover your account using security settings. If your email is not found, click the Recover Account link in the error message. Follow the on-screen prompts to try alternate recovery options. If 2FA is set up, Epic will ask for one or more authenticator app code or an SMS code. Just click Continue and enter the required codes to recover your account. Click Lost Access to authentication methods if you lost them, and if you don't get the email, follow Epic's support guide on missing emails. If you're signed into the wrong Epic account or no longer have access to your email, click Lost Account to this email address. Epic will ask you an additional information like display name, past email addresses, or purchase history if applicable. Fill out as much details as possible to help Epic support verify and recover your account. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.